Summer is here, time for road trips, music and making memories. But before you hit the highway, here is the harsh truth. Many cars break down in summer just because people skip a few basic checks. A broken down car on the side of the road, expensive repairs miles from home, or even a dangerous breakdown. Most cars aren't ready for the heat and stress of summer driving, and most owners don't even know it. Stick around to the end of the video because I will show you 7 quick things to check before your trip. It's simple, it's fast and could save you a fortune. If you find this helpful, don't forget to put like and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Your cooling system. This is number 1 of summer breakdown culprit. The heat on a long drive puts massive stress on it. Check your coolant when the engine is cold. It should be between the min and max. If it looks dirty or rusty, get it flushed. And make sure your radiator fan turns on when the engine heats up. No fan? You are asking for an overheat. And overheated engine can cost thousands. Don't take the risk. Check number 2, tire health. Their only contact with the road and hot asphalt makes them work harder. You need to check your tire pressure, and yes, this includes your spare tire. Use a good gauge and check it when the tires are cold. Incorrect pressure leads to uneven wear, worse fuel economy, and risk of blowouts. Check your tread depth. The legal minimum in most countries are 1.6 mm. If you don't have tread gauge, in UK you can use a 20p coin. If outer bend is visible, your tires are too worn. A blown tire at 70 mph is extremely dangerous. Long trips, especially with the luggage or in stop-and-go traffic, put an extra strain on your brakes, and this is check number 3. Listen for any squealing or grinding noises. That usually means your brake pads are worn. Even if everything sounds normal, keep next in mind. If you are heading to mountain roads, you must get checked your brake pads by trusted mechanic. And be honest, when was the last time you replaced them? If you can't remember, see solution in previous point. Also, check your brake fluid. If it's low or dark, have it inspected. That's your stopping power. Don't mess with it. Check number 4, battery. Summer heat kills weak batteries faster than winter. Check the battery terminals for any corrosion. That's that white or blue powdery stuff. Clean it off if you see it. If your battery is over 3 years old, test it. If it cranks slowly or headlights dim, don't gamble, replace it. A dead battery on vacation, major headache. Check number 5, lights and wipers. Burned out bulbs or damaged wipers can be dangerous, especially in rain or night. Check all your light, front, back, turn signals, brakes. Replace streaky wipers and top off washer fluid. It's a small fix that can make a big difference. Check number 6, air conditioner. No one wants a sauna on wheels. Personal story. Before my trip to Italy last summer, I wasn't sure did my AC work properly. It felt a bit weak. I went to a garage and got it checked for free. They said it was fine and didn't need to recharge. And during the trip it worked perfectly. Moral: check it before you hit the road, not when it's 40 degrees and you are stuck in traffic. Check number 7, emergency kit and documents. This is your just-in-case plan. Make sure you have a first aid kit, a warning triangle, a reflective vest and tow rope. Check your spare tire. Is it inflated and in good condition? It took me years to understand that one of the useful things is tire inflator. Preferably one that plugs into the car battery, not just the lighter. Also, make sure your documents, insurance, license, registration are easy to grab. You never plan for emergency, but you can prepare for one. These 7 checks takes few minutes, but they can save your summer. Was helpful? Subscribe for more.